Hello, today I'll be installing this KAN air filter. This is the dry series, so it does not require no oil. Here are the specs for it. This is the model number, and this is on I'm going to be installing on a 2019 Ford F-150 3.5 EcoBoost. And this is how it looks. It's nice and beefy. And it's saying wash with Power Clean DS. It says do not use the recharge kit. Here what it claims. And here's the cleaning instructions. So it's saying it does not require oil, and here are the steps. You can pause this and see how to clean it, and you can read this. And to remove your old filter, just open your hood, pop these two clamps, and pick this. You gotta like wiggle it out of the slots, and just remove your air filter. And if you have any leaves here or dirt, I'll just clean it out and dry it out, or blow it with air. And that's how my inside looks. And here's the tip, put this back in your box and save it for later, because when you clean this, you have to let it dry. You're going to be cleaning it with water, so leave it on the sun. So while this driving, you can put this back in the truck and use the truck until this is dry. So just swap it out. And to install it, that's how it goes. And then I'll have to use two hands to put it inside of these notches. And I'll pause the video and show you how it's done. Okay, and here's the finished product. You have to make sure these tabs from this lid slides in here. And you see they're sticking out. All four of them need to stick out. Okay? While they're sticking out, then you clip this two back in. So they just clip on. You just clip it back on, and this is it. And again, just take this filter, your stock one, and just put it back in the box with the cleaning instructions, and save it for when you have to clean it.